I spent 2 years cleaning 4 hours every Saturday. That's 104 Saturdays gone. Then I discovered this 15-minute daily routine, and it changed everything. Hey, I'm your name from Cozy Corner Daily. If weekends lost to cleaning frustrate you, I'm here to help. No elaborate systems. Just 15 minutes that actually work. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. I share practical home tips every week for busy people. Let's get started. We're kicking off in the kitchen because this is where the mess is. Step 1. Clear every item off the counters. Coffee maker you rarely use? Put it away. Random mail? Deal with it now or store it in your command center. Now, spray your counters and allow the cleaner to work. While it sits, let's tackle those dishes. I know, nobody loves doing dishes. But if you do them daily, it takes just 5 minutes. Load the dishwasher or wash them by hand. Next, wipe those counters down. Don't forget the stove and sink. Look at that transformation. Just 2 minutes ago, it was chaos. Now, it's a clean, divine space. Grab the broom for a quick sweep. Only remove the visible crumbs. Kitchen. Done in 6 minutes. Now, let's head to the bathroom. This used to stress me out. First, gather your supplies, cleaner, toilet brush, and cloth. Squirt your toilet cleaner in the bowl. Let it sit while we spray the counter and mirror. Wipe everything down. Here's a game changer. Put personal items away while cleaning. Toothbrush in the holder, makeup in the drawer. It's a quick 3-second step that makes a huge difference. Back to the toilet. Scrub, flush, and it's done. Quick wipe of the shower to prevent mold buildup. Sweep or vacuum the floor. Bathroom. Done in 4 minutes. Now, for the final stop, the entryway. This is the first space guests see. Put shoes in their spot and hang up bags. Gather any random items and return them to their homes. Quick dust any flat surfaces. Sweep or vacuum to finish it off. In just 3 minutes, your entryway transforms into a welcoming spot. Let's recap. We cleaned the 3 most crucial areas in just 15 minutes. Not perfect, but clean enough. Look at these before and after shots. My house used to look like chaos on Fridays. Now, it's consistently clean. When your home stays clean daily, weekends are for living, not catching up. Now, you might be thinking, will this work for my home? Try it for just 1 week. I've included a free printable checklist in the description. You don't need to remember everything on your own. I've also linked all the cleaning products I use. If this helps, please return and share your experience with me. Which room worked best for you? I read every comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I create new realistic home tips every week. Thanks for watching. Now go clean for 15 minutes and enjoy your day. YouTube end screen with subscribe button and 2 related videos.